Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to temporarily stop syncing your Dropbox files from your desktop to Dropbox. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already installed the Dropbox application in my desktop. In case you have not, do install it right now. If you don't know how to, we have created a tutorial regarding that as well. For now, I'm simply gonna open up the File Explorer. Well, right here is the File Explorer, and on the left hand side, as you can see, the Dropbox icon has been added to File Explorer. Now let's simply try to stop syncing temporarily from our desktop to Dropbox. Simply right click on the Dropbox icon right here, and from here you can see an option called as Dropbox right here. Do you note that this is Windows 11, and for Windows 10 or Mac the settings might be a bit different. On the right section you can see something like make available offline, view on Dropbox.com, but we are not going to look at that. At the very bottom you can see something like don't sync to Dropbox.com. Simply click on it, and it is going to ask you something like this. Are you sure you want Dropbox to stop syncing to Dropbox.com? Well, it's up to you, but for now, we do not want to sync. I'm simply gonna click on Don't Sync. And guys, that's it. That's how we stop sync from Dropbox to Dropbox.com. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.